Hi guys, this is a collab video and this is hosted by Mama Makes It Happen. This is her channel. She does a lot of the same things that I do: cooking, homemaking videos, grocery hauls, all of that wonderful homemaking stuff. So go ahead and check out her channel. She's the one who's hosting this collab. In this collab, you will see us doing our grocery hauls, and I did putting away groceries and also a easy to make dinner. And also in this collab is My Style, My Home. Go check out her channel, Natara Space or Natara Space, and then Melinda's Messy Sink. So we are doing this collab. Thank you, Mama Makes It Happen, for putting this collab together, and thank you for inviting me to be a part of it. And here are my groceries. This is the monthly grocery haul. Stuff that we needed, and we will, do in between pickups, but this is what we got to start off the month of April. So I picked up some russet potatoes, some golden potatoes. The reason why I'm out of breath most of the time when I'm doing a haul video or a grocery haul is because I've been running back and forth from the car putting the stuff in the house. Okay, so, and then with the haul videos, the other haul videos, it's because I'm running everything from upstairs to downstairs. Okay, there's that explanation. So I got some blueberries, some spring mix, some spinach, some strawberries, this lovely, lovely big old bag of bananas for $1.99. Then I got some asparagus, some avocados, some lemon and lime, some peppers, and some celery. And the reason I don't have a lot of produce this time around is because I just picked up and restocked my produce. Okay, so over here we have my bread, which is the 12 grain bread that I've been getting. Then I picked these up for tonight's dinner, which is going to be some kind of sliders. You will see that in this video. I got the family 2 loaves of white bread. I picked these up because I've been wanting a tostada, and Taco Bell doesn't sell them anymore here. I don't know about anywhere else, but I have really been wanting a tostada, so I'm going to make me some at home. Then I got 2 things of barbecue sauce, 3 things of spaghetti. It's 2 original and 1 mushroom. I got this big old thing of mozzarella because we needed to pick up a new thing of mozzarella. French vanilla coffee creamer. I picked this up. This is new. I've never tried this one. This is the pineapple peach kombucha. And then I picked this one up. Never tried this one. And this is the hibiscus watermelon. Then I got 4 things of green tea because I really like this. Some Pam spray. 2 things of cream cheese. I needed to pick up more cream cheese. I got some broccoli cheese soup and some creamy tomato soup from Panera from the grocery store. My coffee creamer that I've been using, the oat milk. Okay, we got some turkey deli meat. I got this mac and cheese pack, 3-pack. I got them some tortillas, and then I got me these low carb tortillas. I got 2 things of noodles, shrimp, and chicken. Then I got my husband some more sausages. We got a roast, 3 things of beef ribs, some hamburgers, some beef stew meat. I like to use this for broccoli with rice and whatever else we want to make. Got 2 things of pork chops, thing of chicken, some ham for my hubby, some drumsticks. We got the 2 things of okra, the fajita mix. I really like this because I don't have to chop up onions and peppers. I just throw this in everything now. So that's convenient, and I get that. Fries for tonight's dinner. We got some bacon, got some turkey meat. These are skinless, boneless chicken thighs, some salmon, some shrimp, some onion rings. We got some Purdue chicken wings. They didn't have any Tyson's. I love those for what I'm making dinner. The Parmesan sliders. So I got that. Some more fish. I got some French vanilla Dunkin' coffee, milk, and I think that is everything. We got some sugar, but I didn't put that over here. So that is the beginning of the month grocery haul. Stuff that we picked up to start off the month of April. And I will be back cooking dinner. So if you are new here and you're coming over from the other ladies' channels, welcome. My name is Ivy. I'm a wife and a mom of 4 older kids. On my channel, I like to do cooking, cleaning, decorating, hauls, all the homemaking stuff. And so if you like what you see so far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. If you're coming over, welcome. And I hope you will stay and become a part of my YouTube family. So I'm just putting away the groceries, and then I'm going to show you a very easy, simple Friday night dinner that we had. So stay tuned. Chicken sliders, and I'm just going to be using these crispy chicken strips. Dollar General. I've made this before on my channel. And then the original pasta sauce, mozzarella cheese, some parsley. And we're going to use these right here. These, what are these? Hoagie rolls. And I'm just going to throw some fries in the air fryer. We're having a very simple, easy Friday night dinner tonight.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, though I don't know nothing. Oh, I Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? Ay, 'cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Cause I've been thinking about you.
So many questions that I wanna ask, but I can find the reasons why. You always find a small excuse to leave. What's your excuse to make me cry? My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. How can I love you when you're not around? How can I let you let me down, down, down? How can I long for you feeling so small? Love should be everything or not at all. My love was lost when you came and took it all. My mind says stop, but my heart is screaming out. Don't go, just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. Just leave, no stay with me. I'm incomplete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind up.
And so for everybody who has been watching this video and watching my videos, I really appreciate it, and I thank you guys for commenting and supporting. And again, to Mama Makes It Happen, thank you for hosting this collab, and I hope you guys have a very blessed day, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.